How about now? How about now? How we doing? Can anyone hear me? Can anyone hear me?
Yeah.
Can anyone hear me? Okay, okay, I am heard. Howdy doodly. To y'all the yoodlies. Give me just a moment, cause I think I may have to reconnect the bongo cat, cause it did not connect.
Just open and close the window. Just open and close the window. The bongo cat.
Is it there? Is it there? Yeah, it's there. It's there. Okay, okay. Here we are.
There you go. Working.
Bongo cat is alive. It rises. My good people. So, having a little... It lives. Howdy doodly neighborinos. I'm your friendly neighborhood Spider Ned. Haha. Haha. Spider, get it? Get it? Get what I did there? Someone please give me validation for my Spider-Man joke. Haha, haha, there's my validation. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you very much. Spider-Ned is also a reincarnation of Elvis, I think. So, today, we're going to be working on sprite. And what I'm going to do, bet you're wondering what I'm going to do. I'm gonsta open up a little image that I have here for inspiration. Do I have the image here? Where'd the image go? Where'd my fucking image? Because basically I'm gonna make yeah, here it is. I'm gonna make some more buildings for our world of EKSAURIA. By the way, I didn't ask, am I loud? Ha, sprite. Ha, yes. Am I too loud, or how's my voice? Do you like the sound of my voice? Hello, baby. What if I go deeper? Hi, I'm Kevin. Baby. Okay, the image I want in particular... There it is, it's that one. Open. So, firstly and thusly, I need to open my inspiration. Because, you know, I think it's this one. Today I'm gonna, you know, to add some variety to it, today I'm going to be working on the houses that will be found in the Ice Kingdom. These are the example that I have. This is the reference that I found that is the most closest to what I want. I'm just not gonna have like.
This is.
Huh? What? Dwight?
Oh, wait, yeah, I forget the stream here is late. Sorry, my bad.
What happened? Dwight?
Nada.
I forgetti. Oh wait, actually, I should play something on the background, right? You want some music? Let's put on some music, shall we? Okay. How's that? Can you hear it and hear me? Okay, is it whenever it gets there, honey? Pineapple pizza, yeah! All the pineapple pizzas all around. They deserve freedom.
I still can't. There's no music.
There's no music.
There's no music in the background.
What? Where's the wait? Desktop audio is on. Oh wait, it had a. Okay, I found what's wrong. Yeah, it had the little. It wasn't on. Basically, how is it now?
There you go.
Is it nice to the ear? Does it hurt you on the inside?
Yeah.
Tell me all about it. All about it.
It's good.
It's good. Okay. So, and I'm gonna open this. So basically, this is the main reference that I found online when I was looking up, you know, houses in ice. and ice places. Found this, and I think it's what I'm going to take the most inspiration out of. And this is the sketch that I did of the, I guess, ice capital place. I forget what was the name of the Ice Kingdom again. Mikt was the land of the name of the entire continent. There was the crater of Lin. Moros. Mountains of Moros. Okay. Alright. Thank you, Satan. So yeah, I thought this would be a fun look for the Mountains of Moros. I'm only gonna have like a couple of little dead or almost dead trees here and there, because it's also the Kingdom of Death. And some pointy houses in the cool castle. So, firstly, let's let's open up some inspiration. Not some. The inspiration is already open. I mean some some sprite that's already done that can give me a good scale. Scale. That's what I was going for. Scale. Okay, so. Let's I guess it could be. Let's open the house that we did last time. Now, this is the size of a dude, and in fact, I think I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna export this because I realized that I was kind of dumb last time. I'm going to export this or save as, whatever. Wait, no. I need to export. I think I want to diminish. What I want to do is I want to diminish the size of this. I think I can change the size of the image, right? Transform? No. Shift? No. I want to. How do I do that? I forget how I do that. Yeah, whatever. I can still work like this. Yeah, let's just whatever. So let's think for a moment. What do we want? We want. Actually, let me grab that while I'm here. Okay, fine. Oops, sorry. Control C, Control V. No. I have another layer. New layer. What's wrong? Why can't I copy? Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. So let's assume this is the size that I have to work with. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay, that's better. So. What I want. In fact, let me separate you. And put a new layer. New layer. Okay, put it there. Okay. Now we can move our boy around. And let's think about this for a second. I can put this hiding. Okay. Let's start out with one of these more simple houses then. Okay, I think that would be nice and jolly and fun. Ah, my fucking zoom is shit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, now back to it. So, first I'm gonna need to grab some of these colors as a basis. And then I'm gonna, let's think about it first. You know, I got this iceberg town here image. I kind of like this mix between browns and greens into ice. Pardon. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's start with these colors. Yeah, let's start with these colors. Okay. Maybe make it a little browner. Let's start with these. Okay, but let's make it a little on the brown side. Is it brown? Nah, it just gets green. Whatever. So let's think about this. I want that straight line thingy first because that helps a lot. See. Let's think about this house. What are these houses like? This one, for example. It's not the most stable structure. Let me have that as a size reference, you know. This is the size of a house around here. This has the size of a human house, but... Actually, let's make a new layer there so I don't have to fucky. Ice house. What's going on? Ice house. Roadhouse. Road ghosts. House. Okay, back to it then. What we want is a bit of a more shed type of thing. Because even, I mean, it's not going to be tents, because they've been living here for a while. But it should also look a little, you know, like comfort was never their main purpose. Half of the residents are already semi-dead, so I think that's a pretty good explanation for it. But I think it's too tall. Okay, let's start off with... Say if the house is twice their height... Yeah, it wouldn't have a second floor because the second part of the height is just for that weird crooked ass roof. At least I think that logic tracks. Stop it around here. Okay, now I think I'm gonna have some difficulties. Nah, stop. Because these roof linings, as you can see, are supposed to be somewhat round, I guess. You could call it. You could say that they're round. Okay, this is how I usually do this. And I want something to be... Nah, but it's too short. Start by just... Let's create a... You know, let's go with math and such, you know? Trying to find the line that I'm gonna use. Okay, now, I think I can... make that line a different color or something, I don't know. So boom. Okay, so that's the line I want to get to, basically, because I'm gonna have to create... This needs to end up here, but it needs to be somewhat crooked. I'm thinking that I may be... Yeah, I should probably give it more, bring the height of, like, the roof ends should be lower, right? This is a little too much. So let's delete some of that. Okay, that ought to do it. And then let's move this. No. Okay, fine. I forget that here I don't have to press transform. Okay, now let's do that again. New layer. Underneath. No, stop. New layer. There we go. And let's go with a crazy color and create the height that I want. I want these roofs to look way higher than the other ones, you know? This house had like a more regular type of hood roof. I was gonna say hood. It's not a hood. Just because it's on top of its head doesn't mean it's a hood. Though I could be wrong here. I am not within full knowledge of fashion. Let's think about it. Let's think about it. There we go. I think that's not much, is it? Yeah, I think that's cool. Yeah, I think that's cool. Now, let's go back to it. Make some noise. No, don't make noise. I mean, you can make noise, but just chill. Okay. So I know this is gonna have to come inner. Wait, let me close that. There we go. That's even worse, honestly. Whatever, I'll just keep that here. Okay, no, I can't move the background. Fine then. So, as you can see, this is what the ancient ones called a tough cookie. Actually, I'm not sure the ancient ones called it that. This could be just my amazing grades at history class speaking. Okay, it's almost like drapes, like this weird roof thingy. I don't know if this is even possible architecturally speaking, but it is a magical world, so I think that's alright. Whatever goes, goes. Okay, this is 4 more. Okay. Just straight up. Or maybe not. Okay, okay. I kind of like that. I kind of like that. Now, to make sure it's accurate, instead of redoing it, I'm just gonna Control C, make a new layer, Control V, and then drag it away. There we go. Can I just flip this? Edit. Can I how to flip horizontal? There we go. Okay, there we go. There we go, baby. Huh. Okay. I see the problem here. It is not quite there. Okay, but I think it's close. I can just... First I gotta change this part over here. No. Okay, there we go. There. Okay. And now let's head down here. First let's delete that. I don't want that. I want you. No, I forget every goddamn time. Some Photoshop habits die hard. No, god damn it again. Okay, here we are. Here we are. In fact, I should have done this earlier. There we go. Okay. Let's delete this side so that it can be equal. Let's copy that. Control C. And I think I can just do that here, right? And flip horizontal, and it slides right in. Hell yeah. I cut it more than I should, but okay. Yep, it fits. It fits. If the shoe fits, then some. Not too knowledgeable of these popular sayings and so forth. Okay. Okay. Oh, I see that I missed some dialogue here. So, Mountains of Moros, All Hail Satan, of course. Don't waste good pizza. Screw you, man. Pizza and pineapple is great. Satan. Yeah, Ellen. Yeah, it's work. Okay. Yeah, okay, I see. You were fucking around with the little cat over there. Recapping for anyone who wishes to learn about the streaming, I guess. This cat is really cool. Y'all should get it if you're ever streaming or anything. And then you can program him to do or say whatever the fuck you want. I mean, you can't really do that much, but it'll hop and say fun stuff, you know? I think this is a little too crooked, right? Yeah, I think it might be. Let's think about that for a second there. How do I make this better? I don't know, do you think it should be less, you know, concave? Concave, I think that's the word. Concave? Oh, and welcome Exiled. I just saw it, I saw it now that you showed up. What word are you looking for?
Concave.
Concave? Yeah, concave. But let's get back to it, you know. Get back to it. Maybe. Excuse me, my nose requires attention. Get ready for the best ASMR you've ever had. Oh yeah, baby, can you feel the fluids? It's satisfying too. Feels good. Probably not that good for anyone else involved in this altercation, but hey. Okay, let's think about this. Back to not as gross ASMR time. So lately, I've been eating cookies. Can I eat a cookie? I mean, I'm gonna eat a cookie, and you're gonna hear me eat a cookie. Cookie. Cookie Monster ASMR. Yes. Why are we not investing? Cookie. I get fucked up there. Give me a sec. Okay. Now. I think my problem was that I left this part. It took way too long to start going up. So let's try and delete this. No. What's wrong? Oh, I see the problem. I effective for a moment there. Okay, so let's think about this for a sec. So, in theory, I need to have this part here where the roundness kicks in, but I think I can just do it with 2. Maybe if I cut it, the quantity of it in half, it might just work. Okay. And now that I did 2 there, let's just delete a few of these now. Okay, now 2, 2. I can go right on to free. And then we, oops. And now let's head towards blocks of 4. Even if it takes a while. That's what most pixel art is anyways, is taking a while. Okay. No, fuck off too. Fine. I'll deal with you later. 1. All together now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I get a little more? Oh no, Michael Jackson, stay away from me. This was all a very convoluted way of saying that it's weird that the Beatles aren't the ones.
Already own their own music.
Oh, they own it back? Really? They beat the king of pop.
Yeah, they got it when Michael Jackson died.
Oh, hell yeah. Screw you, man. Okay, I fucked up somewhere again. Give me a sec. Remember doing this in math in high school? You know? The whole, oh, graphics, what are graphics gonna do to me. Fuck off. Wait, actually. Let's just delete you. Okay, let's think about this for a second. Maybe I should just start earlier. Let's think about that. Okay. I know this is super fun right now, because nothing quite like watching just a few pixels on the screen at once, but let me see, go back a little. Okay. Maybe thinking maybe I should delete some of this. And just I'm sorry for the delay on this part. It's just that I think I'm gonna fuck it up if I just go on ahead without having the basic structure of the house done. Now let's see. Okay, it's getting a little too straight, and we want it just a tad little, just a bit gayer, you know. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Is it working? Kinda looks like a curve, don't it? I think so, at least. You think I should go back, or I don't know. It's fuck it. It's a little too early to tell, honestly. Fuck this. Just wrap this part up so that I can go to the cooler part of just trying to make the thing, you know, the filling. Call it the filling. What's inside. But without it actually being inside, if you stop to think about it. Control X, and let's do that on another layer. Just so that I won't lose this in case I want to go back, you know. Right now, I want this one. So nice. So let's duplicate the layer in the flippity floppity. Edit and flip horizontal. There we go. There we go. And it should fit rather nicely, except it doesn't. Huh. What's wrong here? What is wrong here? Guess I overestimated the heights. Oh, okay, I just made it the heights unequal on both sides. My bad. So we grab this and we do this and pow, amazing. Oh no. How could I ever become this good, senpai? I tell you how. You download the sprite. Get the boobies there. Okay, now to bring in that third dimension aspect to it. No, it does not work like that. Okay. Let's take that. There we go. Is that one it? Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's duplicate that shit. And it goes further in the back. So you see. It does make sense. Duplicate. And you go in the back. I think I can take that off. There we go. You know what? I'm gonna make a new layer because this background is pissing me off. Okay. Whatever, it could be yellow, I think. No. Let's put this on that bright ass blue. There we go. Okay. Now, this should be easier to see. Actually, maybe not that bright. Thank you. This is just so that I can see. It's not really anything, but let's see. Like, as you may have guessed, in orthogonal view, one must what's this? Why are you here? What are you? I don't want you. Be gone. Okay. If it starts getting annoying, me suddenly speaking louder, y'all can complain in the chat or something. I'm sure our marketing gal will pay attention to it more than I am. Let's why'd you got it? There we go. So let's think about this for a sec, huh? It's one of those roofs. There's a middle axis to the roof, a spine per se. So let's put a spine there. Put a spine on it. Yeah. I don't like it. I hate it. God damn it. Okay, can I grab you? And maybe I should like that. Oh, fuck me. There we go. Okay. Come on. Okay, now let's grab that and move it ever so slightly to the left. Okay. Goodbye. And now we make a new one. A new spinal cord, stronger than all who came before. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And see? Maybe not that far up. Okay. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Right? It looks weird. I don't like it, but okay. It's okay. It's whatever, as they say. I'll think about why I don't like it later, I guess. Right. So, continuing on with that trend, let's make more straight lines that would be vertical because of the top-down perspective. Okay. There we are. And in fact, I'm gonna have to clean this one out here so that I can do an effect like this. You know, like it's a little tissue thing. I don't know if that tracks, but we'll see. It's a little too early to tell. Okay. Now let's grab that and the booty bee and the boogie boogie and the boogie woogie. There we go. Right? That checks out, I think. It's whatever, really. Whatever. This is just art, bro. It just kinda just happens. You can't control the artistic method. Ah, my eyes. Why are my eyes burning? Ow. Okay. Your eyes will start to burn after a while of just looking at squares and pixels. Here comes another ASMR moment. Where will you be when ASMR strikes? How about instead of having pointy toes, we could just have pointy houses? What's going on? What's going on over here? Again, I did it with the wrong layer selected. Okay, this one, right? Right, okay. Dude. Thank you, thank you. Okay. 2 more. Is that how much I gave it? I think I need 2 more. Okay. Oh, yeah. And 1 more for good luck. Alright. Aye. This is starting to look like something, which is a big effort, actually. One would be surprised. I think that's around, so this lines up with here. That's not right. It shouldn't be lining up with that. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Okay. This lines up with this. This lines up with this, which isn't exactly the same, but let's see if it looks good. Because, you know, sometimes a little bit of asymmetry can be fun. I actually think it's symmetrical. Oh well. Okay, so we have so far. Looks weird, don't it? Yes, it does. Does not look cool. No, it does not. But let's real quick go back and check what the doors looked like. The doors were also a weird angle upwards type of door. So let's try and make the door, shall we? Okay. Fortunately, these ones don't really have windows or anything, because, I mean, yeah, they're sheds, and these people are all dead, actually. This little guy over here, technically, as alive as a zombie, you know? That's what I mean. Not exactly a zombie, because, you know, it's cold and shit, but it's something. Eating noises in ASMR is a Korean thing. So, you don't know if there's someone Korean hearing this? We don't know. Here we go. Okay, so that's where it fits up. Okay, how do I do this? Let's put this guy over here, because a door needs to be big enough to fit one of these guys at least. Okay, so let's get to it. So I think we can do. I think this is whiteness. We can give it just 1 more whiteness. Wait a sec. Okay, yep. There we go. Okay. Now, let's think about this for a sec, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go all the way up to his hands. think I can start doing this. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's a fit. Yep. There we go, that's what I need. Okay. Yep, that's exactly there. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, I think this is what I wanted out of this door. Yeah, something like that. Looks round, more like it look kind. I think it. The point I was going for is like. I mean, this isn't exactly that, but you can kind of tell. You know, those kinds of arches. You know. I want an arch that can possibly be an actual wooden door, but still be arched. I actually used to know the name of this kind of arch when I was in high school, but unfortunately, that is not the case anymore. I have completely... Oh, okay. Fun fact, Koreans... Okay, look. It's a nice little bit of text. Let me try and make a nice voice. Fun fact, Koreans love to listen other people eat. It's a social thing, as if they eat alone. Well, they feel lonely. That's why they like this ASMR eating streams vids. Now, the more you know. Plum, 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 plum. And now this one's for that Korean out there who's still listening. I got you, bro. You're not lonely anymore. We're all here eating with you. I'm sorry, I'm also kind of hungry. Okay. While I'm ASMRing, let's think about the color of this door. These are all kind of... This one? I don't like it. Let me see. I don't think this stands out much. Put this all the way up here. Scully boy. God damn it, I just wanna... Fine, whatever. I don't like this color anyways. Let's think about it. It should be somewhat wooden, but it also has to be a color that kinda stands out against these folks. Maybe that one. Yeah, I think if I go for the pale but colored, it should work. Just make this a little bit grayer. Okay, now let's firstly and thusly try this out. Now go back to that color and let's try and make it something else. See what it looks... Wait, I think I need to mix... I need to merge all of these. Fuck me. Okay, let's... Okay, 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 okay. Is that not that one? Okay, let's just now let's merge visible. No, I can just merge down. I'm stupid. Oh, wait, fuck off. Yeah. I can delete this, it's okay. Delete layer, and let's merge these two. Shut up. What's going on? Why do you do that? Want it. Stop. Stop it. Stop. Merge down. Okay. So now we have my house. We have a house. We have stuff, I think, lying around. Here we go. So, going back to this, and I wonder if which color would be the best for this kind of old looking, but it can't be too dark. Okay, I think I'm going somewhere. Let's make this a little on the colder side. Maybe the roof should be ice, you know? Take that ice. A little too bright. Take this one. See. Okay, okay. I can work with this. Now let's maybe add some ice. Let's start off by calling this the color of ice. The roof should have the most ice since it is where the, you know, the elements hit and such. So let's fill this out. There we go. Nope. Stop it. Stop. Okay. Do I want ornamentation? Now these guys are a little on the simple side. It could maybe ornate their places, but with ice, not with actual minerals and such. See this guy right here? This guy right here is the king of ice sculptures. If you want to make a dinner party fancy, just call him. His number is 555. Ice cool. Ice cool. That's his name. 555 Ice cool. Wait, did I just say high school? PTSD trauma's coming back up. I'll never live it down, mates. High school haunts me to this day. Here we are. Okay. Here we are. Okay. Yes, this is super fun, I know. I'm sorry. And yes, it is somewhat the colors. This is basically, I'm using two colors of this guy that are pretty on the low end, like it's this.
Jason says he likes it. It's looking very gothic.
Ah, thank you. Oh yeah, the gothic was the pointy one.
Yep.
Ah, yes, I knew. Deep inside, the gothic side of me called. But thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's because I found this. I'm missing myself on this image mostly because I found other images of towns and houses on ice, but in terms of fantasy and such. But I don't know. This one, these looked. I like the pointiness. Basically, that's what I'm taking. I like the pointiness. Should have just looked up gothic places, shouldn't I? Oh well. But let's get to it then. I'm trying to make this part go a little bit faster because I know it's boring for y'all. Actually, what am I doing? What am I doing? I just have to do half of the house and then double it to the other side. Dumbass. Dumbass. Let's make some ice, baby. Are you disappointed with me, honey? Fine, I'll do the other one. There you go. Better now? Why? Is it because I can't sing? Are you telling me that my entire life, my entire singing career has been for nothing? But I tried so hard. I even went to a singing competition once. Wait, let me. What if spookity boosh, spookity beach. Yeah, make it not a line, but a growth. A growth. Oh yeah, baby, can you feel my growth? This can go all the way back here, I think. Yeah. Okay. Let's put some more ice up here. Some more. Okay. Here we go. No. Okay. Looking kind of cute. That little shimmer that I gave it does make it look somewhat nice. But let's get back to the not so fun part. Okay, yeah, this seems like it's house colored. Okay. Scoobity bap bap doo. You like scat? Anyone here a fan of scat? Because I am just amazingly interesting, honey. I can sing, I can scat, I can bang, I can bat. I know that makes sense. I can feel it in my heart. Here we are. Basically, I'm gonna go a little bit on the same train of thought as I did with the human house. Which, for those who are joining us now, I'm trying to make a... God damn it, I hate myself. Stop, wait, okay. I'm trying to make a little house for this guy. These guys they come from the Ice Kingdom of our game, EKSAURIA. And we had... That's not right. Basically, I've done a house here for... Where is it? God damn it, show yourself to me. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, this was a house that I did, but I mean, it's not. I'm not even sure I'm gonna keep it. I'm probably gonna alter it. But the train of thought that I went through while doing it, making it, similar to what I'm going through here. I want to make like the idea that there's boards up. You know, like this was a bit of not the richest in construction. But the human house wasn't rich and was falling apart because it was literally attacked by fire demons, and it was never that great of a house to begin with. But it was more solid because it needed to house humans and having them not die from the elements. These houses are almost kind of a formality, really, because it's more like they're the houses that these people used to have, so they're before they died. So it's like, at least I think so. That's how I think when I'm making them. So these guys just kind of had a little shed when they were tribal, and they never really felt the need to keep it up to code or update it, you know? And that's why...
1 hour warning.
1 hour warning! Amazing! And I did all of this! Wow! These lame developers say it takes time to make things. Look at all this. This is a little too... I'm gonna make this colder. Yeah, colder, yes. Okay, I'm kind of digging that. Okay. You ever dance with the devil in the failed something moonlight? I don't know. Sounds fun. Wait. No! Did I fuck something up? I fucked something up. Fuck me. What's wrong here? What's wrong with this math? As you can see, like there's something off here. It shouldn't be in half. Why is this in half? Whatever, I'll deal with it later. Fine. Let's just get back to it. I don't have much time left because you see, I'm just time flies when you're, I don't know, man. When you're making little houses for games. My dad was an architect. Can you tell? Yes, that was a laugh. No need for judging. Okay, here we are. Don't understand what I did wrong here. Oh, maybe it's not centered. Now that I think of it, that could be it. Aha! It really isn't centered. I knew it. I had a feeling in my heart and in my soul. Stop. God damn it. Let's grab this and okay. I didn't need to go that far up, but okay. There we go. There we go. Come on, come on. There we go. Okay. Let's move you to the side just a tad. And I think should be good now. Show me, show me. Yeah, it fits, don't it? So, problem solved. I wasn't going crazy. It was just me dealing with very basic things in my life and panicking as I do. Okay, we are. Doo-doo. Aha, okay. Yeah, let's do a similar effect on this side. I'm kind of just trying to see if I can give some kind of texture to the house. Not too sure on my abilities to do so, but confidence is key, you see. You see, confidence is key. I don't know who I'm impersonating at this point, honey. I think I'm just going crazy. But that's just a maybe, honey. Maybe I should stop. Maybe I should start eating healthfully. We'll never know, because the government doesn't want us to know. That's why. See, I baited you. It was all a government ploy all along, just like the birds. Speaking of which, have you been awoken to the truth of birds being our overlords and drones and all of that? Actually, Character Killer, I think, is a bit more of a higher up in terms of knowledge of the cause of everyone needs to wake up because the birds are not what they seem. They're drones. Kennedy did it? Was it Kennedy? I don't know, honestly. What do I even know? What is it to know? Knowledge is a fleeting thing. Okay, this looks bad. I don't dislike it. I dislike it. I don't know why. Sorry, I only looked at the chat now, and now that I saw the I'm a scat man. Skibbity beep bop bada boop. Bop bada boop. Skibbity beep bop bada boop. Bop bada boop. I'm a scat man.
There you go. I got the phrase.
Oh, do. How have you been during this week? I've heard that a planet is in retrograde. I'm not sure what it means, but people seem to be complaining about it on some social medias. So tell me, how did the latest planets shift thingy change your life for the better or worse? Wait, am I going crazy, or is this a good transition? Nah, it isn't. Is it? Is it? Starting to go crazy over here, guys.
Stop.
But I kinda want to. Seems fun to go crazy. Just a little bit, at least. I'm not too sure about that one. Make this a little. Alright. I'm just gonna try and finish this little house, because I've realized that I don't need to do both halves of it. I can just, you know, copy it. Okay. Suspicious. Let's try and keep doing that, I guess. Actually, let's put this here. In case anyone's interested, and in case you haven't heard it 1,000 times by now, the song that's playing currently is the song of my people. Actually, no, it's the song that we made for Red Run. Thanks to some amazing editing and stealing the piano of our college. Don't tell them about it. It's a secret. It'll be our little secret. Like that. Like that. Yeah, I think that's what I was missing here. I think I may have made this a little too fat. I don't know, guys, what do y'all think of this little house so far? Is it a pretty little house on the prairie? Or is it a shitty little house that you got that you overpaid for? Okay. I think I'm onto something here. Yeah, I think I'm on to something. Okay. Now, if I should add a few of these here and there, so as to make it more believable. I think it's believable. Okay. Let's add this here. And basically I'm trying to make textures. I want it to seem like there are textures here, you know. Not sure that idea is passing along, but I will find out eventually, right? Okay. Okay, let's go all the way with this, all out. Let's put another one here. Okay. And finally, I think I'm close to finishing it. I don't know, what do you guys think, man? Should I go ahead and do the other side of this. Maybe I can add a little line here too. Sure, why not? That's a little too close. Okay. 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 I can see some texture here. The texture, I don't think it's off. What do y'all think over there? Looking sexy, I see. Ah, okay. We did not steal the piano. I'm sorry. Yes, it was a joke. It was just a joke, guys. Just a prank, bro. Oh yeah, here's that theory that the truth. There was I only saw the chat now. I'm sorry for the delays on that front. But yeah, all the birds die. Let's make this in an epic trailer voice, okay? Dun-dun. In 1986, all birds died due to Reagan killing them and replacing them with spies that are now watching our every move. The birds work for the bourgeoisie. Now ain't that something? And what are we gonna do about it? We ain't gonna do shit about it. Because the birds are in control, man. There's nothing you can do. I think this is good. I think I'm done. I'm just gonna flippity floop. And by that I mean select the house. Okay, I forgot I had that over there. Let me excuse me. I'm sorry, dude. I'm gonna delete your contact info. You can do your own dealings on the side whenever you feel like it. And now let's real quick. I need to zoom out a little. Okay, let's cut this in half. See if I cut it right. I did not. I cut it too much on the half. Okay, let's. I'm stupid. I could have worked. I could have just used that. I'm retarded. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's Control C. Make a new layer. New layer. Control V. And now, by the power of Grayskull, we have 2 of these. And I can... No, you, motherfucker. Okay. I can flip this around to a perfect 180. And here we are. And now we move this over here. And there we go. What do you think? What do you think? Kind of looks like an old pajama, but okay. Let me just real quick complete that line over there because that's pissing me off a little. But yeah. Okay. I think that's gonna be it for today's, guys. I'm sorry there wasn't much happening, and I'm sorry that the house was smaller than the other house. Budget, man. We need to start thinking smart on our constructions. But I think it looks better than the other one, actually. Why does this zoom out? Shut up. I actually think that this new one so far already looks better than the other one. Because, I mean, it has a given aesthetic. There's some goth vibes to it, you know, like our character Killer said. But, hey, what are you going to do? I'm still going to work on both of them later to improve them. But at least you got to see the basis of 2 houses being done here in EKSAURIA. And for in Untitled Game Studios and our streams. Who knows, maybe I'll do more of these in the future. We'll see. But in the meanwhile, I'm gonna call this one done. with a big old check on top. And I'm gonna wrap it up for today, guys. Thank you all very much for coming. Our links are there in the stream chat, are delivered by our marketing gal, and I think there was some talk about, like, I think there was someone assisting, and I missed that part. I sort of caught that earlier. Whatever. But yeah, there's the links are all there. There's our website, our Twitter, our Facebook, our Spreadshirt shop, the merch shop, and our Instagram. Yeah, that's about it. And of course, our streams. We do these once every week on Wednesdays at 5 p.m. London time, right? Yeah. London time, right? Yeah. London time. And we work hard for these. And thank you all for coming. And we'll see you next time on Dragon Ball Z.